Hey everybody, Nicole here. I want to show you a little something about chlorine in our tap water. So I'm going to fill both of these glasses with tap water, regular tap water. And I know I don't even drink this obviously because I have my Kangen machine, but it just even smells like chlorine to me. Like I can smell it right now and it grosses me out. And yeah, it doesn't matter where each one goes. So I'm going to use this, it's OTO, and it's for detecting chlorine in water. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 10 drops in here. While I'm doing that, I'm going to put my hand in here. My hand's too big, but I'll make it work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm going to give it a stir, and it turns a very strong yellow color. Not very appealing to me, but that just goes to show you how much chlorine is in my tap water where I live here. It's quite gross. When I first did this, I knew it had a lot, but I didn't know it had that much. So now I'm going to take my water out of here, or my hand out of here. I'm going to leave the water in because then it wouldn't be a very good test, now would it? And I'm going to put 10 drops in here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to stir it again, and massive difference as you can tell. So where did the chlorine from here go that obviously was in this same glass of water? It went into my hand. In that less than a minute, my body has absorbed all that chlorine. And so when you drink tap water, you're putting it right into your body, and your organs are trying to digest it and they can't do anything with it. It's not just the water you drink. It's when you shower, when you bathe, when you brush your teeth, you name it. You're in a shower for 5, 10, 15 minutes every day. Can you imagine how much chlorine your skin is absorbing every time you have a shower? And imagine having a bath. You're sitting in a bath for 30, 40, 50, 60 minutes. And how much chlorine, amongst many other chemicals, your body is absorbing that is doing damage to your body. And it's just not good, it's not healthy. If you want to know more about some products that are going to remove all the chlorine, plus all those fluoride, pesticides, you name it in your water, just let me know, send me a message, and we'll chat.